Hi there. My name's Scott Howard with the Playback Now production team, and I'm here to walk you through some tips and tricks on how our presentation recording process works. You should have received an email invitation with a link to the Zoom meeting, so double check your inbox and calendar if you're unable to locate it. Click the link, and a browser will pop open. You can then either open the meeting through the Zoom client or on your internet browser. After you join, you'll be placed in the waiting room, where the host will admit you. From this window, you can test your computer audio. You can change your speaker output by clicking the drop-down menu next to Test Speaker and selecting a new speaker option. Click on Test Speaker and listen for the chime to ensure that you can hear through your speakers. Once you click on Test Mic, your microphone will record your voice and play it back to you.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
You can change your microphone input by clicking the drop-down and selecting a new mic option. If using computer audio is not an option, you can also call in using your phone. Find your Zoom meeting invitation email, look for a list of phone numbers, and dial one of the phone numbers with the phone you wish to use. Once you are connected, an automated Zoom assistant will guide you through the next series of steps. As we are still in the Settings window, click the Video tab above Audio. You can change your camera input by clicking the drop-down and selecting a new camera option. Once you can see yourself, be sure to position your webcam as level with your face as possible. Ensure that your face has some good lighting on it. Natural light from a window or light from a soft lamp should work great. Find a location free from distractions and a space with a pleasant background, such as a wall with artwork. Alternatively, you can use a virtual background if you wish. Click on the Backgrounds and Filters tab, and then choose a virtual background from the list of options. If you are not comfortable being on video, we understand and respect your preference. But if possible, we would love to see your smiling face, and so would your audience. Once you are admitted to the meeting, another window will pop up, asking you to join with computer audio. This is just another way to check your audio settings. Click Join.
Recording in progress.
A Playback Now technician, like me, will be with you during the entire process and walk you through any steps and answer any questions. Your Zoom meeting controls appear at the bottom of the Zoom meeting. You can turn both your microphone and camera on and off from here. You can also share your screen. You can do this by clicking on the green Share Screen button. A window will pop up with your screen share options. If you do not see the media you'd like to present, such as a PowerPoint, be sure that the application is open. Alternatively, you can share your screen directly. At the bottom of the Share Screen window are two boxes that let you share computer sound and optimize screen sharing for video clip. If your presentation has any audio or video elements, be sure to click the Share Computer Sound box and optimize screen sharing for video clip. Click the blue Share button on the right corner of the window when you are ready. Once you share your screen, your Zoom visual layout will change, but don't worry if you cannot see yourself. The final recording will resemble the Playback Now technician's Zoom layout, not yours. Your Zoom toolbar moves to the top of your screen, so you can have open screen space to share your presentation. If your toolbar disappears, you can access it simply by moving your cursor to the top of the screen. If you haven't already opened the media you'd like to share, do so now. For this example, we'll use PowerPoint. Go ahead and quickly advance through your whole presentation, and be sure to stop and test any video or audio elements. If there is more than one presenter, or if there is a moderator, the presenting group should discuss the order of content and how the flow of the presentation should go. Here are a few questions to keep in mind. If screen sharing is utilized, who is controlling the presentation, changing slides, or playing media? Is this an open discussion or a string of back-to-back presentations? Should everyone's video be on the whole time, or not. Make sure to check your internet connection. Is it stable? If you get kicked off of Zoom in the middle of your presentation, simply log back into the Zoom session, touch base with your recording tech, and start from an earlier point. Your tech will make sure your presentation is sewn together seamlessly during the editing process. Don't forget to silence your cell phone and electronic devices. Mute notifications on your computer. Keep track of time and end within your allotted time frame. If you need any help with this, your Playback Now tech would be happy to assist. Once we have double-checked your slides, audio, and video, the technician will give you a countdown and you are ready to present.
Countdown starts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Daisha Davis, and I'm with Playback Now, and today I will be your presenter.
If you ever need to take a break or restate a portion of your presentation, simply verbally alert your Playback Now technician. Though off camera, they will be listening closely and noting any edits that need to be made for your final recording. But don't sweat small fumbles or foibles. If it's okay in a live presentation, it's okay here. Once you're finished, just let the recording technician know, and we will wrap up the Zoom meeting together. We hope you find this resourceful as you prepare to give your presentation, and we are looking forward to working with you. Thanks again, and have a great one.